What's going on, guys? Today I got me an unboxing. I know exactly what's in here as I bought it. I sold about 4 of my budget blades to get this, as it's something I really wanted. So that's what I did. Problem with these boxes is you never know exactly yeah, of course. This is sorry, probably off screen for a second. Alrighty. So it is a Kizer. The Ara. I just got the base model. I don't need anything fancy. I like Kizer's new boxes. They're so much better. And those, ooh. A little smaller than I thought it would be, which is great for me because I like small knives. Oh, wow. I like that pocket clip. Oh, that's cool. A carbon fiber backspacer. That's fantastic. Oh, wow. It's a nice detent. I was not expecting that. Ooh. That's good grip. Oh, that sucked. Oh, that's good. You know, if there was a thing for detent, this is probably up there. Say about an 8 out of a 10. It's kind of what it feels like. Ergos are just butter. Absolute butter. Wow. I actually really like this. This is a great knife. Munko and Styles killed this 100%. Yeah. Let's see how big it is. Let's go. So we are at a little over 7 inches, 3.5-inch blade with about little less than 3 inches of cutting edge. So what, 2.9, 2.8, something like that. I don't have the best thing here. Jeez, it's already breaking in better. Just scratch that 8. I would say more like a 7. Probably more of a 7. But the Ergos are a freaking 10. 100% a 10. These are fantastic Ergos. Oh, I didn't even notice the pivot collars. Or did I say that? I have no idea. I just woke up, so we'll see. That's very nice. Well, I only brought one knife with me. So let's just do the drop bear 2. Kizer versus Kizer. This is actually shorter. I think these are like 6.85 or something like that. Yeah, about 6.85. So Yeah, so this is just a little bit bigger, but I actually like the profile better. Right there. Butter. That is absolute butter right here. You can get the full 4. You can move up. I don't want to say huge choke up, but you can definitely move up. It makes it to where you can actually get a nice pinch grip on it. Not the best pinch grip. This one is much better for a pinch grip, but it's nice. 100%. I haven't had a premium knife in actually quite a while. I've been sticking to budget blades because they haven't really caught my fancy, but this one is really good. Oh, this is definitely going in the pocket for a few weeks, and I'll get a review to you guys. Thanks, everyone. Stay sweet, stay sharp. I'm getting out of here. Bye.